Reddit. Some people love it, some people hate it, but most people don't really think of it as a place to make money. And that's because people that do tend to post loads of links and get banned. Then they say Reddit doesn't work. But here's the truth. Reddit can make you money if you use it properly. So I'm going to show you how people actually use Reddit to make money, but without spamming, without getting banned, and without looking desperate. Now before we start, let me be clear about one thing. Reddit is not a quick cash machine, a platform that really rewards promotion, or a place to drop affiliate links absolutely everywhere. Reddit is a trust platform. If you treat it like social media, it will punish you. If you treat it like a community, it will reward you. But why is Reddit so powerful? Well, Reddit is different from TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. And that's because not everyone who goes to Reddit goes there to be entertained. A lot of people go to Reddit to solve problems. And they're asking questions like, how do I make extra money? What's the best way to learn this? Is this worth it? Or has anyone actually tried this? And where there are problems, there are opportunities. And this is why Reddit is such a goldmine. People tell you exactly what they need help with. Now, the easiest way that people on Reddit make money isn't selling. It's responding to demand that already exists. For example, freelance help requests, one-off tasks, advice posts, niche questions. There are entire subreddits where people actively ask for help. If you can write, design, research, explain things clearly, or know how to help with basic tech or admin, then you can respond politely, honestly, and without hard selling. So you're not pitching, you're helping somebody that already wants your help. But how do you use Reddit to drive traffic to places without being hated? This is where most people mess up. And that's because Reddit hates promotion, but it allows value first sharing. So the correct approach would be 1, answer the question fully, share personal experience, and 3, only then mention a link if it genuinely helps. If your comment is useful without the link, then you're doing it right. If the link is the only reason you're there, then you'll get banned. And this works for a lot of things. This works for YouTube videos, blogs, guides, tools, digital products. You can also use Reddit as a market research tool. And this is one of the most underrated ways that Reddit can make people money. And that's because Reddit shows you what people complain about, what they're confused about, and what they're willing to pay to fix. You can literally build videos, digital products, or services based on Reddit posts alone. If loads of people are asking the same question, that's a product idea. Another great way of using Reddit is to build authority. So people come to you. Some people, they don't make money directly on Reddit. They build authority and money comes later. How are they doing this? They consistently help in one niche. They give clear, honest answers, and there's no sales pressure. And eventually, people recognize your username, they slide into your DMs, and they ask for help. This is slower, but it's far more powerful. Now, what will get you banned instantly? Well, if you remember nothing else, remember this. Don't spam links. Don't post the same thing everywhere. Don't post fake stories. Don't post obvious affiliate drops. And don't ignore subreddit rules. Because Reddit doesn't care how good your offer is. If you break the rules, you're gone. So, can Reddit make you money? Yes. But only if you respect the platform, lead with value, think long term, and stop trying to game the system. Reddit rewards people who actually help. But let me know your thoughts on making money with Reddit and if you've had any personal experience of it. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.